Alright. It's Sunday, October 20th, 10 o'clock in the morning. I guess it's time to start my car now. Alright, here it is, motor out. It is, what time is it?
Oh shit, blue. Oh shit, you got that?
Fucking dog. Fucking guy. It's about 3:33 and motor's out. And now I gotta wash up because of some shit we need to get, so. Ugh, 91 all over again. Fuck. Oh, this is. Alright, well, looks like everything's back to normal-ish. Back on the road again, and now I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the rebuild of my 2.5. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, I have like some of my glass in. I pretty much put in all of the drivers and passenger side glass, except for these guys right here. And I just found them the other week, so I'm gonna be ordering them tomorrow, and everything should be all right. And then the next thing to do is just get the tires back on. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned. Catch you on the next one.